Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very amazing question from algebra. We have a over a plus b equal to a plus b over a plus b plus c equal to c over b plus c. Given that a, b, c are positive real numbers, then we have to evaluate a over b value. So let's get started by equating these two. So we can write a over a plus b equal to c over b plus c. As we have ABC positive real numbers, so denominator cannot be 0. Sum of 3 positive number or 2 positive number cannot be 0. Now we will cross multiply. So a times b plus c equal to c times a plus b. We'll apply distributive rule or law. We can write AB plus AC equal to AC plus BC. Now we have to subtract AC from both the sides. So plus AC minus AC will be over from LHS as well as RHS. We will get AB equal to BC. Now we can divide both sides by B as B is non-zero. So we will cancel B from numerator and denominators. We will get A equal to C. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Now we are going to equate these two. And we can write A equal to C is our equation 1. Now we are going to equate these two. So we will write A plus B over A plus B plus C equal to C over B plus C. Now we will use our equation 1. In place of C, we can write A. Let's write A plus B over A plus B plus A equal to A over B plus A. Or we can write A plus B over 2A plus B. A plus A is 2A. In RHS, A over A plus B. Now we have to cross multiply. So we can write A plus B times A plus B equal to A times 2A plus B, or A plus B whole square in the LHS equal to A times 2A plus B. Now we will use A plus B whole square identity. So I will write A plus B whole square equal to A times 2A plus B. Let's use formula for A plus B whole square. So we can write A square plus B square plus 2 times AB. In the LHS, in RHS, A times 2A is 2A square, A times B is AB. Now we will take all the terms to RHS. So we can write 2A square minus A square. Then we can write minus B square. Then we have to write AB minus 2AB equal to 0. Now 2A square minus A square is A square. Then we will write minus B square. AB minus 2AB will write minus AB equal to 0. Now B is positive, B cannot be 0. So we can divide both sides by B square. This side also will divide by B square as B is not equal to 0. Now we will split numerator. So we can write a square over b square. Then we will write minus b square over b square. Then we will write minus ab over b square equal to 0. Now a square over b square. Can we write a over b whole square using exponent law? B square over b square is 1. So we'll write here minus 1. And AB over B square, we can cancel 1B from numerator denominator and we can write minus A over B equal to 0. Now we have to calculate A over B, and this is one quadratic equation in A over B. So we can use quadratic formula to find out our answer. So we'll write here A over B whole square minus A over B minus 1 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic in A over B. So either we can assume A over B equal to some other variable x or y, or we can directly write here A over B will be equal to our formula minus capital B, I am writing in caps lock, equal to square root of B square minus 4 times AC divided by 2 times A. Now if I will write our A, capital A, it is A over B whole square coefficient. So we have to write 1. Capital B, the coefficient of A over B, minus 1. And capital C is constant -1. Now we are going to write here the value of A over B by just plugging the values of A, B and C here. We will get minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1. Or I can write minus times minus becomes plus, so 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4 over 2. This is the value of A over B, which is our required expression. Now we will simplify. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we can write A over B equal to 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. So I can write two answers, two values of A over B. First one, 1 plus root 5 over 2, which we know the golden ratio. And second one, 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now if A is positive, B is positive, so we can conclude A over B must be positive. Now we have to check which one is negative. So we know that square root 5 is approximately 2.23. So if we will subtract 2.23 from 1, we are going to get negative. So 1 minus square root 5 over 2 is negative number, which is not true. So we will reject 1 minus root 5 over 2. So we can write our final answer A over B equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, which is the golden ratio. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.